Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to add page number to Canva presentation. After starting Canva, we can choose template. I will choose presentation, so I click it. So our presentation design page is created. Now we can add page. I add to free, and then we can go to test, and we can choose page number under dynamic text. Click it, and then we can find the page number at the bottom right corner. We can enlarge it, we can move it, and I move it to bottom right. Next, we can go to format. We can show numbers only, or we can show the page with number, or we can show page X of Y. And also we can change the style. For example, we can change the font type, and we can change to bold, we can change the italic, and we can change the color. After changing this option, make sure that we click change all. And also we can close the text color tool, and then we can go back to page number again and apply properties to all. So all the pages has same style. So this is how we can add page number in Canva presentation. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.